Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best ornament making kit is probably one of the most engaging and creative ways to spend quality time with your kids during the holiday season, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash their imagination and create personalized decorations that will adorn your home with unique charm and cherished memories. This video will help you find the perfect kit that sparks joy and creativity in your little ones. Number 5. Luna Bean Baby's First Christmas Ornament Kit. Capture your baby's precious first Christmas with our easy-to-use hand and footprint kit. It's a fun and memorable way to cherish those tiny moments. This kit includes everything you need: clay, cutting rings, stamps, a brush, easels, and ribbons. It's ready to use right out of the box. We use only non-toxic and hypoallergenic materials, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for you and your little one. It's perfect for babies 0 to 9 months. Make 2 adorable ornaments, each 4 inches in diameter, or 1 larger keepsake. The possibilities are endless. Our easy-to-follow instructions will guide you through the process, ensuring you create beautiful keepsakes to treasure for years to come. Just remember to keep the clay moist while you work. Display it on a tree, a wall, or a tabletop easel. It's the perfect addition to your holiday decorations and a wonderful keepsake. What we like. If you're looking for a way to remember your baby's tiny hands and feet, this is the perfect choice. It uses safe and non-toxic materials, making it ideal for even the youngest crafters. This simple design makes it easy for parents to create a lasting keepsake, even with a wiggly baby. What people say. This kit has everything you need, but you could probably buy a tub of air-dry clay at your local superstore and use a plastic straw to poke a hole in it just the same. The added bonus of the kit is the ribbons to hang your ornament, a plastic straw, a small roller, circle molds, and now they have plastic letters to imprint with. They didn't used to have the letterboard. The kit was so easy to use, the clay was moist and workable, and the additional decorative elements included are great. I will probably frame my paw prints with photos as a keepsake for the future, so I didn't require the ribbons, but they are nice. After getting my dog's prints, it took about 2 days for the clay to dry thoroughly. These turned out great as keepsake Christmas ornaments for my 1.5-year-old. I rolled out the dough with a regular rolling pin, not the one provided, cut it out, stuck his hand in it, and left it to dry. Easy. I ended up getting 3 ornaments out of it. 2 are the thickness of the one pictured and 1 was thinner. Number 4. TreeMendous Ornament Decorator. It's a new and creative way for kids to personalize their own ornaments. With its patented design, it's fun and exciting for children ages 3 and up. This makes an ideal holiday craft activity. It's perfect for doing with grandparents, friends, siblings, and parents. It comes with 3 ornaments and 8 non-toxic markers, allowing for many colorful and unique designs. Plus, there are 6 additional ornaments included. Kids will love making their very own handmade ornaments. It's sure to become a family treasure. Additional ornaments are sold separately. You will need 3 AA batteries, not included. Get ready for some festive fun. What we like. If you are looking for a fun and engaging holiday activity for kids, this kit is perfect. The patented design allows for unique and personalized ornaments. It's a great way to make lasting family memories and create one-of-a-kind decorations. What people say. It's easy for the kids to operate and get their creative juices flowing. They love choosing the colors and making ornaments for our tree. This was easy to do and they all came out so beautiful. Several colors come with it. Good for all ages. Number 3. DEZZY'S Christmas Craft Kits. Unleash your creativity with our Christmas craft kits. They're perfect for kids and adults, offering a fun and festive activity for the whole family. Each kit comes with 15 wooden ornaments, paint, glitter, brushes, and more. You have all the materials you need to create beautiful, unique ornaments. Express your Christmas spirit by designing personalized ornaments. They make wonderful gifts or beautiful decorations for your home. It's easy for little hands to use, making it ideal for kids' holiday parties or classroom activities. Suitable for children aged 6 and up. These ornaments are made from smooth, polished wood, ensuring they're safe and durable. They're shatterproof and sturdy, not flimsy at all. Make it a family craft night. Create lasting memories and keep the Christmas spirit alive all year long with DEZZY'S workshop. What we like. If you love crafting and want a kit with everything you need, this is it. It includes high-quality wooden ornaments and a wide variety of paints and decorations. It's perfect for a family craft night or a creative holiday activity. What people say. A lot of pieces in the kit. Good quality paints and wooden ornaments. My daughters ages 12 and 8 really enjoyed making their own ornaments with us, which says a lot because they usually spend all of their time on their iPads. Full disclosure, I paint, so I had access to a lot of acrylic paint, but there should be plenty to do all of the ornaments. We use the markers to write the date on the back of each ornament. This is the perfect holiday family activity. Bought this as a fun thing my little cousins could do during the holidays and they love it. Now their tree is filled with their hand-painted ornaments. Number 2. QKIYI Christmas Craft Kit. This Christmas, get ready for hours of fun with our amazing craft kit. It's packed with everything you need to create 24 unique ornaments. With 22 individual packages of supplies, you can make a variety of ornaments, from colorful balls to adorable snowmen. Let your imagination run wild. It's the ideal kit to develop your creativity and improve your crafting skills. The full color instructions make it easy for everyone to follow. These personalized ornaments are a wonderful way to decorate your Christmas tree and add extra cheer to the holiday season. They also make great gifts. Made with environmentally friendly materials, it's perfect for kids aged 8 and up. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport and store. Everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy color box, ready for gifting or storage. It's the perfect all-in-one craft experience. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. Happy crafting! What we like. If you want a kit with lots of different options and clear instructions, this is a great choice. The many projects will keep kids engaged and entertained, while the step-by-step instructions make it easy for them to create beautiful ornaments. It's a fun way to learn new skills. What people say. Her daughter is 5 and with instruction assistance, it was easy for her to do. She did 3 altogether. Instructions are easy to follow. The kit includes everything else you'll need. The best part was that everything needed was included, along with great directions and pictures. My 11 and 7 years old granddaughters did most on their own and loved them. Number 1. VABAMNA Christmas Ornament Kit. This Christmas, let your child's imagination run wild with our fun ornament craft kit. It's filled with everything they need to create unique and festive decorations. With 36 beautiful ornament cards and 18 sheets of festive stickers, there are endless possibilities for creating personalized ornaments. It's perfect for parties or classroom activities. These ornaments are made from thick, high-quality cardstock and premium stickers, ensuring they're sturdy and long-lasting. They're also completely safe for children to use. Simply peel and stick the stickers onto the cards to create unique ornaments. It's a simple and enjoyable activity for kids of all ages. These DIY ornaments are ideal for Christmas parties, classroom gifts, or decorating your tree. They also make wonderful gifts for children aged 4 to 12. We're committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. If you're looking for a simple and fun craft activity for kids, this kit is perfect. The adorable designs and easy-to-use stickers make it ideal for Christmas parties or classroom activities. It's a great way to create festive decorations and party favors. What people say. Great quality, my 3-year-old loves it. I prepared several activities for the kids after our Thanksgiving meal. Of all the activities, making ornaments was the one they enjoyed the most. These ornaments crafts were bought with the intention of giving away as crafts to my child's classmates as little Christmas gifts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.